what to do when you don't know what to do. Recenter, realign yourself with your own power, because we always do know what to do next. Even when you don't know what to do next, you always find a way. There's always a way, and you always manage to enter into the next moment. So when you don't know what to do, stop, look, correct. What am I correcting? I'm correcting this galloping runaway thought. I'm correcting the overwhelm that's happening right now in here. So I'm stopping this so that I can see what is going on in my life, and then I can accept it because it's happening. It's not going to change. It's happening. It's what is. And when I accept it, I become still and I gather myself so that I can start again. And when you start again, you feel empowered. You feel able. Even if it feels overwhelming, that is not the truth. What is true is that you are resilient, that you are tenacious, that you have always managed. Your life is proof of it. Look, you've always managed up until this moment that you're listening to my voice and that you're seeing me on the screen. So I'm telling you now, trust yourself and let your life thrive. Stop the strife and begin to thrive. If you don't know what to do, stop, look, correct. Be gentle with yourself, be good to yourself, and know that you always find a way, because life will never give you more than you can handle. Isn't that a wonderful promise? Indeed. Such is life. It was wonderful to be with you for a few moments today. Have a wonderful life. See you soon. Bye.